apps affairs show you
How to turn off mention in Instagram. So, if you don't want to get mention from someone on Instagram, here's how to turn off it. First of all, go to your Instagram profile, tap on this menu icon, tap on Settings and Privacy, scroll down. Here, tap on Tags and Mentions. And here you will get this Who Can Mention You section. And now if you want to turn off mention for everyone, then select Don't Allow Mention. And now on, no one will be able to mention you in Instagram. Also, you can turn off mention for stories, so disable this. And if you want to turn off tags, then select here Don't Allow Tags. And that's it. This is how we can turn off mention in Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.